Project VALA is a 2-channel video installation. It's an immersive cinematic experience narrated by VALA's voice. The project experiments with linguistic and vocal registers of female voices online. It's specifically focused on this notion of voice and its relationship to consciousness. It's inspired by the flood of mindfulness and meditation apps.
Let the voice wash over you, eternally, infinitely. Imagine my voice as spheres of light around you. You're breathing them in. You're breathing in the light.
Voice is a conglomerate of both rational, neutral, sensual, and singing vocal utterances. All characters in the video embody her consciousness, her voice, which is both female and androgynous, rational and irrational. It allows for contradictions to emerge and exist like they naturally do in human subconsciousness. And that name Vala was taken from Norse mythology, like the name Siri. Vala in Norse means the female shaman. In Blake's mythological system, she's a representation of nature, and she's also a demon in Vedic scriptures. And in all these contexts, she represents the unconsciousness, the nature, the wilderness. There are 2 parts of the VALA project. The first part was created using visual elements of interface designs and 3D, which are addressing this interface techno-spirituality which we're facing today. And then second part, which is on show here, is a cinematic experience of Vala's voice and nature. Vala's Zoe in the project is made in collaboration with Jesse Perlstein, who's a musician from the neoclassical band Sontag Shogun. He created Vala's voice and the musical background for the video installation. The film characters wear clothing from Janja Videc, who's a fashion designer concerned with female archetypes and alchemical ideas. The VALA publication it has film stills in it and parts of the script.